Well, didn't Jesus cite this very one? I said, "Your gods." I think Jesus takes that to be representatives of
So,
God, human
so can
beings.
you explain verse 7? Nevertheless, you will die like men. So if they're human beings, why does it say they will die like human beings?
Okay, so let's suppose that these are angels. I said you're angel. I think that contradicts what Jesus makes of this. Actually, sons of the Most High sounds like human beings to me.
Mm.
Nevertheless, you will die like men.
I think the traditional view, because I think the majority of
Mm,
scholars do
mm,
interpret this, especially in light of Jesus' words, as
mm,
human beings.
mm.
The judges were called, we know in Exodus, in the book of Samuel,
Yeah,
they're standing in for God, if you will, and they're called Elohim. The way they understand verse 7 is that this is a warning that they will die like any other lowly human being. In other
of
words,
course.
these are highly
Absolutely.
exalted humans by
Yes,
God, but because their iniquities and their
yes.
behavior.
They are absolutely. Nevertheless, you're going to die as all men die. Don't imagine you're some sort of immortal person because you're representing God. You're going to die as all men die. Of course. I don't think this is angels here. This makes sense in terms of what Jesus said, that they are judges, and the judges are human beings. No need to have those as angels. I'd call them men, and they're going to be dying like mortal men.
Yeah, I think the context is difficult for an angel because it
Mm-hmm.
says, how long will you judge unjustly,
Mm-hmm.
show
Mm-hmm.
partiality to the wicked,
Yes.
vindicate the wicked? I mean, angels are not doing
Mm-hmm.
this.
No, no,
They're
I
they're
think
not,
that's right. I don't think
meting
either of
out
them.
judgment on the
No,
poor and on the
no.
wicked. And
So verse 7 was the problem verse, but you explained it very well. You're going to die in the same way that all mortal men like yourselves die.